Hey everybody, this is Kathleen with Windy Chaos, and I've got a cute one to show you today. I'm kind of doing this in a split screen because it's a little easier to show you the sticker book in GoodNotes, but I do all my planning in Zoom Notes. And here's the cool thing. With my kits, you get them in 3 versions. You get a GoodNotes version, you get a Noteful version, and you get a Zoom Notes version. So whatever you like to use, there's going to be a way to use it. And I'm also including like what I call a shadow sticker book and a blank sticker book for those who are in other applications, so that you can then go into the PNGs and just load them up however you like. So, but I do provide it in 3. And so we're going to go through the sticker book, and then I'm going to show you some cute mock-ups. So this is Cutesy Halloween. I have never been a big fan of scary, gory Halloween, but I love cutesy, so here we go. This has got a really fun color palette you'll see here at the bottom of the screen. So it's got pinks and purples and peaches and a little bit of orange in it as well. And it just really does blend so nicely together. We've got these really cute armchairs, some little bats, some books. So you've got a little notebook, a spell book, and a journal, a little bookmark. And then we've got 5 really cute bows, brooms, and then we get into the candelabras and candy. And there you go. And then we've got a chandelier, a crystal ball, 3 different cauldrons, because I couldn't decide which one I thought was cutest. We've got all these garlands. We've got bats and ghosts and pumpkins, and these really cute florals as well. And then we've got a bunch of ghosties. So what is it? 7 ghosts. And we've got a sweet front porch, and then 3 different gates. We've got 3 haunted houses, 2 lanterns, a moon mobile, and then this little bit of like a stationery set. And these are so cute, done up as like your little planner boxes if you want. I just think they're really, really cute. And then here we've got this Post-it note. Now this works this way as a 4x4, but then you've got each of them also individual. So you don't have to crop it. It's already been done for you. And then we've got a whole bunch of pumpkins, including a cute little pumpkin bucket and pumpkins with lace on them. And then we've got some really fancy witches' hats, a cute little wreath, a spider web, some little creepy looking trees. And then this is just all one piece. So it's just like a watercolor swatches with some fun Halloweeny motifs on it. Then we've got what I call planner bits, or under here you've got them as labels, and DOW is days of the week. So you've got all these little labels, some corners, some shapes that have some of the clip art that's been clipped into it. And you've got these gift tags. And this time around, I included days of the week, because that is one thing that I always find myself, even in these wee whisper kits, going out trying to find days of the week. So I did a little deco one, and then I did one that's just plain. And this font is called Lupita. And ta-da! Another thing I added into this wee whisper kit is I did put some patterns in. So maybe this will be my main go-to, and every once in a while I'll do the big mega kits that have a cajillion things. I don't know. I would love to have some feedback on whether this is a kit size that feels just right to you. It feels pretty great to me. And when I was doing the mock-ups, I was like, yeah, this really does have everything. And oh, I wanted to show you. I'll show you when I come over here. But this little ghost transparency is so cute when you put it over a color. I'll show that to you here in a minute. Okay, so let's do this. We're going to squeeze that. That's our last page there. Here's a page where you can click into the Windy Chaos library, and then this last page where I put the font. So here we go into our mock-ups. This is a ring, a Shelley's ring planner, and I think this is so cute. And I didn't really mean to close that out because I really did want to show you guys how cute. Okay, I'm gonna pop that just like right on top of here. Oops, I just added a page. But if I take this, come on. See how cute that is? Now this, it turned it because but you could put that over orange or green or deep purple or whatever. And I just think it is precious. You can also go in and go to edit. I gotta scooch it over so I get to see all of the menu. And let's go down to like, yeah, 60%. And see how light you can make that and just see through. So much fun. Okay, let's get rid of that guy. Okay. So here you can see I've done the really cute ghost pattern in the gray there, and just had loads of fun just doing up this little page. A couple little planner bits right in there using the gift tag and the kind of the postage stamp that you can just write whatever you want on it or come up with a silly saying or however you want to do it. Let's look at it in the landscape. This one, I'm in love with this chair, and I used the pumpkin transparency background, which I think turned out really, really cute. And then, like I said before, using this little stationery set to use as planner bits, you know, to put your appointments or your to-do lists on or your top 3. It just looks really nice. And I'm kind of obsessed with this chandelier. I really enjoy it. And I wanted to show you guys, I put this this pillow here, but when I pull it over, let me show you real quick. It doesn't come up. Come on. There we go. If I were to try to just size this down and pop it on there, that might look okay. I'd lose quite a bit of the pumpkin, but it would look all right. But I was able to use the distort. And this is in Zoom Notes, of course. Noteful, I don't think can do this, but this is, I could pull the different corners to make it just fit right into the corner of the couch, or the chair, I mean. So anyway, I just thought that was really fun and looked really natural. Now, it looks okay this way, don't get me wrong. And if you don't have Zoom Notes or you don't care to try Zoom Notes, it will totally work. You can just kind of twist it a little and you'll be just fine. But I love to give you guys other, show you little tools that you can use in Zoom Notes too. Okay, so that's landscape, and then let's look at the portrait. This one I did just kind of that candy scatter. I used the 4x4 post-it notes, and I just popped one here too. And I think it would be cute to do like another one. One thing I really like about Zoom Notes is if I hover it over something, it'll give me that same exact size. So I could go like that, and I might like bring this to the front. Operations order, yeah. Move to front, yeah. Because I like that when things kind of are layered. So there we go, guys. That is Cutesy Halloween. It's a We Whisper kit, so it's really inexpensive, and you get a ton of stuff with it. And I just kind of feel like, I don't know, I feel like this is a more complete version because you get the patterns and you get the days of the week. And going forward, this might be my go-to kit size, but I probably will never give up on the complete Whirligig mega kits too. They just might be fewer and farther between because I can get these done so much quicker. And it's really all about the clip art for me in most cases. So anyway, I love hearing what you guys think, and I got some good feedback on some of the junk journal things, and that would definitely be in the mega kits. I'm still working on some ideas with that, some ways to refine it. So thank you so much for listening, and I hope you're having fun with all this fall weather and ready for some Halloween shopping. Take care. Bye-bye.